Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best impulse sealers that are available on the market for their true quality. You can find the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Mylar Impulse Sealer 16-inch Heat Sealer. This model stands out for its larger 16-inch sealing length, making it ideal for users who frequently work with oversized plastic or Mylar bags. It features a durable iron shell that offers excellent longevity compared to other plastic-based sealers on the market. The package includes 4 replacement Teflon tapes and wires, which is a nice bonus for long-term usability. Plus, the 8-level adjustable timer allows you to tailor the heat settings to suit different bag thicknesses and materials. In terms of design and build quality, the Mylar impresses with its robust iron construction and precision circuits. It's heavier than most of the other options, but that added weight gives it a sturdy, professional feel. Performance-wise, it delivers consistent seals with a 3mm sealing width, which is wider than average, ensuring a stronger and more durable seal. It also comes with a cutting feature, thanks to the included round wires, making it perfect for trimming excess material after sealing. However, it's not without its drawbacks. The larger size and weight make it less portable and better suited for a dedicated workspace. Additionally, while it's versatile, the higher price point may not appeal to casual users. Overall, this is a great option for small business owners or anyone who needs to seal larger or thicker bags regularly. Coming in at number 4, we have the METRONIC 12-inch Impulse Heat Sealer. This product is designed for versatility and ease of use, making it a great choice for both beginners and experienced users. Its adjustable temperature settings allow for precise control, enabling you to seal a variety of materials, including PE and PP bags. The sealer is built with a durable plastic body and a pure copper coil, which enhances its energy efficiency and extends its lifespan. In terms of design, the METRONIC 12-inch model is compact and lightweight, making it easy to transport and store. Its tabletop design is perfect for small spaces, and the simple operation involves pressing the handle down for 3 to 5 seconds to achieve an airtight seal. This model is particularly useful for sealing food items like cookies, coffee, and baked goods, making it an excellent choice for home kitchens and small businesses. While the METRONIC 12-inch delivers reliable performance, it does have a few limitations. The plastic build isn't as durable as the iron construction found in some competing models, which might deter those looking for heavy-duty usage. Additionally, while it's highly effective for household and small business applications, it may not be the best option for sealing thicker materials. Overall, it's a solid mid-range product that balances affordability and functionality. At number 3 on our list is the Vimy Impulse Heat Sealer Machine. This sealer offers a great balance of affordability, functionality, and reliability. Designed for 12-inch sealing tasks, it's a fantastic all-around choice for home kitchens, retail stores, and small businesses. One of its standout features is its lightweight design and easy operation, requiring no warm-up time. It also comes with 8 temperature adjustment settings, ensuring compatibility with different types of plastic bags, including PE and PP. The Vimy model is built with ABS plastic, making it durable yet lightweight. It's compact, so it won't take up much space on your countertop, and it's easy to clean. The included extra replacement element grip is a thoughtful addition, extending the machine's lifespan. In terms of performance, this sealer delivers consistent results, with users reporting that it can seal up to 10,000 bags over its lifespan, a testament to its durability and reliability. However, there are a few caveats to keep in mind. The ABS plastic construction, while lightweight, may not be as robust as metal alternatives, and it's not designed to cut bags. Additionally, the sealer is best suited for standard plastic bags and may struggle with thicker or specialty materials. Despite these minor drawbacks, the Vimy Impulse Heat Sealer Machine is a great option for anyone looking for a reliable, budget-friendly solution for everyday sealing needs. Taking the number 2 spot is the METRONIC 8-inch Impulse Sealer, which is a compact, heavy-duty option for those with limited space but high expectations. This sealer is designed for convenience and durability, featuring adjustable temperature settings and a sturdy iron construction that ensures long-term use. It's perfect for sealing smaller bags, making it an excellent choice for sealing snack-sized portions, bath bombs, or coffee bags. One of the highlights of this METRONIC model is its pure copper coil, which minimizes energy loss and extends the lifespan of the machine. The performance is consistent, delivering airtight seals within 3 to 5 seconds. The addition of a repair kit ensures that you can easily replace parts, further boosting its longevity. This sealer is particularly suitable for home use or small businesses that require a compact yet reliable sealing solution. On the downside, the smaller 8-inch sealing width limits its versatility, as it's not well suited for larger bags. Additionally, while the iron build is robust, the extra weight might make it less portable compared to lightweight plastic models. Overall, the METRONIC 8-inch impulse sealer is a fantastic option for those who prioritize durability and need a reliable sealer for smaller-scale tasks. And finally, at the #1 spot, we have the Runrui Impulse Heat Sealer Manual Bag Sealer. This model is a true all-rounder, offering excellent performance, versatility, and value. Designed for 12-inch sealing tasks, it features 8 adjustable temperature settings, allowing you to seal a wide range of materials quickly and effectively. With no warm-up time required, this machine is ready to go as soon as you are, making it perfect for busy households or small businesses. The Runrui sealer is built with a durable plastic body and weighs just 3.5 pounds, making it lightweight and easy to maneuver. Despite its lightweight design, it boasts a powerful 350-watt heating element that delivers reliable seals every time. The product also includes an extra replace element grip, which extends the machine's usability. Users consistently praise the Runrui for its ease of operation and its ability to seal over 10,000 bags, making it one of the most durable options in its class. The only real downside is that this sealer does not have a cutting feature, which can be a deal breaker for users who need to trim bags after sealing. However, its overall performance, affordability, and user-friendly design make it a standout choice. If you're looking for the best combination of value, durability, and ease of use, the Runrui Impulse Heat Sealer is the one to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.